What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Toyota Camry. We're gonna be doing a vinyl wrap right here on the V. We're gonna be swapping out the grille and the eyelids, and then we're gonna do it in chrome delete around the windows. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a vinyl wrap right here. I'm gonna have actually one of my clients, Mike. We actually did his VIP trunk floor, and he's gonna help us by wrapping this in gloss black. We have factory OEM black metallic grille that we're gonna end up changing, and then we also have new eyelids for both sides. I already sent the front lip, the TRD lip, to paint, and it's gonna match the grille. And then also Mike is gonna do the chrome delete. We're gonna see what we could do about this also all around the windows. And then I'm gonna order the black caps, and that's gonna pretty much finish it up. Oh, we're gonna change on these DRLs also to new ones. This recently just happened, so that's a good thing I'm changing it. all right, so you'll start by taking off this panel, little push clips. There we go, and they literally just come off. Super easy. Be careful you don't lose them. And the whole piece just comes off. Oh, great. Clearly, just said don't lose them. Okay, from what I see here, there's screwdrivers, screws. 4 of them right here. It's a Phillips head, so let's take that out. There's actually 2 more hidden under the flap on each side, and then there's 2 clips, as you can see, like this, that hold the bumper to the radar trim. So let's take those out. All right, so after that, all along the bottom there's these little bolts, and I believe they are 10mm bolts. So you gotta take them all out of the bottom. So on the wheel well on the bottom, there's 3 more 10mm screws, and a little plastic piece comes out. And then these, you just pull them. There's 2 of them, and there's a little tiny, I already lost it. There it is. It blends in with the floor. A little tiny clip holder, and then you just pull on these clips, and then pull on the bumper side too, and that loosens up the bumper on this side. Let's go do the other side. Okay, so after you do take out those sides, you will have to come up here and actually take off the radar with the front bumper. So this comes out, this comes out, this comes out, this comes out, this. So let's do that now. Wow, that's a lot of clips. All right, so when you pull that out, the radar is connected here to here. So you unplug that. I have fog lights. Those DRLs that I'm gonna end up changing, they were connected to the turn signal, so I took that out, and then I unplugged the fog light. Same thing with the other side. I left all the wires running there because I'm gonna put them the same fog lights in. So make sure you store all your pieces and remember where it goes, because you will need to put it back. So let's see. All right, so let's start taking our stuff here. Okay, so once you do have it off, you take off what is needed, what you need to do. So basically I'm gonna wrap this emblem also. So I need to take that away separate, a bunch of clips and screws on that. Then just gotta take out one of the eyelids. There's a bunch of clips and stuff for each part, whatever. So you take off what you need to take off. Some pieces you have to take out one piece to take out the other one. Like I believe for the center, I had to take out all the bottom ones. So you do what you gotta do in your part, and then eventually I'm gonna have to change on my DRL, so it's easier here on this side. But yeah, wow, I gotta say guys, that was very difficult. So to take out the grill, you gotta take off this bottom piece and the side panels. It comes out all in one piece, and then you take them off individually. I'm only gonna take off this, the grill, and the eyelids. I just had to take out that one because the new lip covers this. So I just put the original pieces on, and then it'll stick onto that. But yeah, let me tell you, those freaking clips, you know, it really helps if you have a little pry tool. Just leave it like that. Just be careful with the paint, and that's it. All right, so took out the pieces from the bottom, put them on a new bumper. Let me give you guys a little peek. So, and you can tell the bottom is made because again the new lip is gonna get painted to match that. And yeah, so I'm waiting for my wrap guy to come to be able to wrap this. I made it easier for him since the bumper is already out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new DRLs, since these already are, you know, toasted, almost 2.5 years on it. It has water inside. So we put the new ones, and we'll jump on the radar to wrap the Toyota. You could definitely see the difference. Factory SE part is at matte, and the XSE, I don't know if you can really tell, but oh yeah, there you go. It's metallic black. I just mocked it up, and it looks freaking beautiful. So worth doing all this. Can't wait to see the front lip match to that color. Wow. All right, so we're not gonna do the vinyl today, but at least you know how to take out the bumper and put the new grill on. It looks killer. I don't know if you can see it by the camera, but this grill makes such a difference on this bumper. Now the new lights on, gonna wire them up once put it on. Yeah, I'm excited not to get rid of this. Should be here Monday, Tuesday next week. I'm gonna leave the link down below to my painter shop. His name is RJQ, so it's RJQ _ bodyworks, I believe it was. I'll put the link down below. He's the one that actually did the interior parts painted for my car also. And yeah, can't wait for that bottom lip. And let's go, and that's about it. Let's put it back on. Before putting the bumper on, I like to do this little trick: put some tape on the fender line from where the bumper and the fender meet, and also right under the headlight on both sides. That way, if you're working alone and you just try to mount it up, you don't scratch the headlight with the flap on this side of the bumper, and you don't chip off paint. So that's a little tip. I knew something was missing. Radar's missing. So make sure you put everything back to where they belong. No wonder it's very flimsy. All right, so once you mount it, I'm gonna make sure the headlights. I put 2 bolts, 2 main bolts, just to hold it in place, so then you're able to put everything back together how it was carefully. Now it's hold on. So remember, do everything opposite of what you did taking it off. So you gotta start with, I'm gonna start with the top just to have an anchor, and then I'm gonna go by the sides and then the bottom, and that should work. All right, so like I said, do everything reverse and it should come out perfect. You know, if you are installing the DRLs, make sure you connect them and put them up here before you close it up, because then if not, you have to drop the bumper again and all that stuff. Make sure, oh, I gotta connect the radar. So the radar has a connection back here. Make sure that it's connected. Other than that, everything seems to be in place. I'm only missing this part, which is right there with the clips, the push clips. Bumpers installed. Oh man, video does not do it justice. I had to clean it up, but I'm gonna wire up the DR turn signals to the signals. I might even show you guys how to do that, and then I'll show you guys how it looks at night. You won't tell the black, but well, you can already tell from the video the mate from the gloss. Just in person is way better. All right, so my guy Mike came through. We're actually wrapping the car right now, so I'm going to show you more or less how he's wrapping it and let him do his thing. Enjoy the show. All right, so now we're on our way to pick up the front lip from Custom Tuning. It just got painted two-tone to match the grille and the paint color of the body. So I'll show you once I get there. All right guys, so here's the big reveal. I want to thank Ronald from RJQ AUTOWERKS. He paint matched this bumper amazing. The two-tone came out perfect, and he installed the lip for us. So I'm going to show you now guys how it came out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Again, I want to give thanks to Ronald from RJQ for hooking up the Camry and making it look exactly how I wanted. I'm gonna put the link down below to his Instagram, so if you guys are local to Miami, Miami-Dade, Broward, you go to him. And once again guys, thank you for all the support. Follow our IG and Facebook for all of our projects that we do. And until next time, take care.